Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be about how I prep my hair for a protective style. So since I am going to be doing the boho box braids, I do want to make sure that my hair underneath those braids are going to be moisturized and healthy. So I went ahead and did my regular wash routine, which I'm going to put a little link in this video so you guys can check that out if you have not already seen it. So yeah, so basically after I finished washing and deep conditioning my hair, I went in with this Camille Rose coconut water leave-in detangling hair treatment, and I just have that in my hair right now along with the Cantu Shea Butter Grow Strong strengthening treatment. And this it says it strengthens fragile strands and protects from heat damage. So I have these both in my hair right now, and I'm also gonna go in with the Tresemme heat protectant spray, and I'm gonna spray that over my hair because I am going to be blow drying my hair before I do my braids. So enjoy the rest of the clips. I'm going to be using this paddle brush blow dryer, which I already have a video on. So I'm probably just gonna speed through this and come back when I'm all finished because I already have a video on this. So yeah, I'll be back in a second. Now that my hair is all blow dried, I'm gonna take some coconut oil and then just rub that throughout my scalp and the ends of my hair.
Are we too grown for games? Are we too grown to play around? Young enough to chase, but old enough to know better.
Are we too grown to change? Are we too grown to mess around? Ooh, and I can't wait forever, baby. Both of us should know better.
I'm gonna come back to you guys once I finish my bohemian box braids.